Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile video editing with a review of LumaFusion, a powerful video editing app available for both iOS and Android devices. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the interface. LumaFusion boasts a sleek and intuitive design that works seamlessly whether you're using a phone or a tablet. The interface is divided into three main sections: Preview, Timeline, and Access Elements, making it easy to navigate through your project. And here's the kicker. LumaFusion offers 6 different layout options, so you can customize your workspace to suit your preferences. Plus, if you're using a tablet, you can hook up a keyboard for even more functionality with handy shortcuts. Now, let's talk about the editing capabilities. LumaFusion is packed with features, allowing you to work with up to 6 video layers and 6 additional audio tracks. Whether you're trimming clips, adding transitions, or applying visual effects, LumaFusion makes it a breeze. And don't let the smaller screen size fool you. Editing on a phone is surprisingly intuitive, thanks to LumaFusion's responsive interface. Plus, the app supports 4K video editing, so you can create high-quality content on the go. But wait, there's more. LumaFusion also offers advanced features like Multicam Studio for easy synchronization of multiple sources, and the option to export your project to Apple Final Cut Pro for further editing. And let's not forget about the Storyblocks library, offering a vast selection of royalty-free assets right at your fingertips. In conclusion, LumaFusion is a game-changer for mobile video editing. With its intuitive interface, robust editing capabilities, and additional features, it's perfect for both casual users and professionals on the go. If you're serious about editing on your phone or tablet, I highly recommend giving LumaFusion a try. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.